Hello YouTube. I just wanted to take a couple minutes here to share my thoughts and experiences with a product that I recently used to paint my bathtub. The product I used was the Rustoleum topside marine paint, and I'm pretty happy with the results. I've still got to go back through and recaulk the sides of the tub and everything like that. I just followed all the directions, sanded everything down, cleaned it really well, and then applied it with a roller and a paintbrush. And I think it came out really good. I originally got the product off of Amazon. It was the Rustoleum topside paint in white. I think I got a quart of it for around $19.99 or something like that. But yeah, I think it came out pretty good. I'll give you some more up close video of it. And the backstory on this tub was originally it's a metal tub, old metal tub, and originally it was green. And obviously nobody wants a green tub, so I started researching on what I could do to kind of refinish it. And everybody that I had seen on YouTube and everybody I knew that knew anything about the topic recommended that I use the Rustoleum tub and tile reglaze kit. So that's what I did. It was a big mess. It was very time consuming. It took a long time for it to cure and to where it could finally be used. I thought it was a big hassle. Originally, the results were pretty good, and it did last a while, but after around a year and a half, 2 years, it started to chip significantly down here by the drain, and it also started to chip and flake down at the bottom here where a person would stand while they were showering. So that's what led me to using the Rustoleum marine paint. I had just thought, if that paint is good enough to be used on boats, and I've seen a couple other reviews where people had used them on a tub, but I hadn't really seen many videos where somebody kind of posted their results and their impressions of the product. But if you want to save yourself a tremendous amount of money, a tremendous amount of time and effort, I'd give this topside paint a try. I think the results came out really good, and I guess I'm going to cut the string on this and let it fly. Thank you.